Anthropic just made a move that most people are not talking about, and it tells you exactly where AI is headed next. This week, every single verified K through 12 teacher in America got a full year of premium Claude, completely free. Not a stripped down version either. We're talking Claude Code, Claude Cowork, and a whole library of tools built specifically for the classroom. And once you understand why they did this and what else got released alongside it, you'll see this isn't really a story about teachers at all. It's a preview of what Claude is turning into for absolutely everyone, including you. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's start with the teacher move, because the reasoning behind it actually matters, and it tells you a lot about how Anthropic thinks. Their education lead said teachers kept telling them the same thing over and over. They wanted something that just worked quietly in the background while they focused on their actual students. Not another tool to learn, not another tab to manage, not another login, something that handles the invisible work nobody sees. And here's the number that makes this click for me. Teachers work around 49 hours a week, and a huge chunk of that time never even touches an actual classroom. It's grading papers, late at night, it's planning lessons, it's writing parent updates on a Sunday. So Anthropic connected Claude to a massive database of academic standards, broken down state by state, grade by grade, in the exact order kids usually learn each individual skill. So when a teacher asks for a lesson plan, Claude already knows what that specific grade level is supposed to be covering. No back and forth explaining the basics, no fixing it afterward because the AI guessed wrong. Think of it like a chef handed a recipe book that already knows your allergies before you even walk in the door. You don't have to explain everything from scratch every single time, it just builds it. Right? The first time, they're actually testing this live right now in Detroit public schools. Teachers, they are using it to look at test scores, attendance records, and all the lesson plans, then get new lessons built around exactly what their real students need this week, not some generic template. And Anthropic drew a hard privacy line here too. Teacher conversations are never used to train the models, full stop. That's not a small detail buried in the fine print. That's them being deliberate about earning trust in a space where trust is basically everything. Now, here's why I think this matters way beyond the classroom. And honestly, why I wanted to make this video in the first place. This isn't really an education story when you strip it back. This is Anthropic showing you out in the open exactly what Claude is turning into everywhere else too. An assistant that remembers your goals, connects to your actual data, and does real work while you're not even looking at it. And the rest of what got released this same month backs that up completely. It's not just one isolated announcement. Anthropic also released Claude Sonnet 5, and it's their most agent-like Sonnet model so far by a noticeable margin. Agent basically means it can plan out a task, work through every step, check its own work along the way, and keep going without you holding its hand at every single stage of the process. Most AI chat tools you've probably used answer one question and then just stop, sitting there waiting on you for the next instruction. This one can actually carry an entire task from the very start all the way through to the finish line on its own. And this next one is the update I think people are sleeping on the most. Claude Cowork, which is the tool that actually does the work instead of just talking about doing the work, just expanded to your phone and to the web. Before this, it only lived on your laptop, which meant the second you closed it, everything stopped. Now, you can start a task at your desk in the morning, close the laptop, walk out the door, and Claude just keeps working away in the background the whole time. You check it later on your phone, on the train, wherever you are, and you just approve whatever it found. Anthropic's chief product officer said chat and cowork now share one home too, so your projects and your files all live in one single place instead of scattered across 10 different tabs and folders. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Here's the part that genuinely surprised me though. Anthropic actually looked at how people are using co-work out in the real world, and more than 90% of it had nothing to do with code at all. It was everyday work, reports, contracts, client decks, the kind of regular business tasks that used to eat up someone's entire afternoon before they even realized where the time went. That tells you something important about who this is actually for. This was never really built just for developers sitting in a code editor. It was built for anyone running a business who's quietly drowning in admin work they never signed up to do in the first place. Now, I'm not going to skip past the part that actually worries people because I think you deserve the honest version of this, not the hype version everyone else is putting out. If Claude can already plan out a teacher's entire week, write a landing page from scratch, and follow up with leads completely on its own, then a lot of that repetitive daily grind work genuinely starts disappearing. That's real, and I'm not going to sit here and pretend otherwise just to make you feel better. But here's the flip side, and it's just as real, maybe even more real. The people who actually take the time to learn how to run these systems now are the ones quietly setting their business up to grow without being stuck doing every single step by hand forever. Anthropic keeps saying some version of the same thing every single time they release something new. This isn't about a chatbot answering your questions anymore. It's about handing off real work and actually getting it back done without you babysitting it. Teachers got that first this week. Everyone else is getting it right now, whether they've noticed it yet or not. Think about how fast this has actually moved. A year ago, AI was something you opened, you asked a question, you got an answer, and you closed it again. That was basically the entire relationship, start to finish. Now, it's something that can work quietly in the background of a teacher's classroom in Detroit, checking attendance and test scores, and it can work just as quietly in the background of your own business at the exact same moment. Writing things for you, following up on things for you, pulling together proof of what's working for you, all while you're doing something else entirely with your time. And I think that's the real story hiding inside all of this. It's not really about teachers, and it's not really about one new model release with a new name attached to it. It's about Anthropic quietly proving out in a space where trust matters more than almost anywhere else you could pick, that Claude can be handed real responsibility and actually follow through on it properly. If it can work there in real classrooms with real students, real data, and genuinely real stakes attached, then you can be pretty confident it's going to keep showing up everywhere else too, including in whatever you're building right now. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.